Hey families, this is Crystal with Great Star Detroit Wayne, and welcome to our third video highlighting summer reading programs in Wayne County. Today I'm going to highlight Grosse Pointe Public Library because they have an amazing summer reading program. They have so many prizes that you could win by earning tickets throughout the summer. Their program has already started and it runs until August 14th. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to get to the home page so that you can get to the summer reading page to create an account and start logging your hours and entering in your tickets to win prizes. All right. So in your browser, you want to type in grossepointlibrary.org, which is highlighted here. And once you get to this page, you want to click on menu on the right top corner. And then you want to click on youth inside the tall green box. Okay, so this is the youth page. And on this page, they highlight the summer reading program. So they explain how the program works. Pretty much, you choose whatever you want to read. So books, audiobooks, graphic novels, and then you track the days that you read and log them into the Beanstack account. So every 5 days that you read, you will get a virtual ticket to enter in the prize drawing of your choice. So again, they have so many choices of prizes that you can enter in to win. And you'll also get an early earn a Wally's ice cream token and free books by reading. So although they offer most of the program online, you can print out a physical log if you want to check off the days that you read physically. Okay, so let me just show that to you real quick. So the link to the log that you can print out is at the very bottom. And here it is. So it's very cool. So please keep in mind that you'll still need to register at the on the Grosse Pointe Public Library's Beanstack page. So that's pretty much the software that you need to log in your hours, enter in your tickets, check your badges. So you still have to register there. And if you do need help with that, you can always call the library and they can help you with that. But if you are interested in printing out this log, you can, and all you can do is just check off the days that you read. And as you can see here, it's a very good visual aid to let you know that, hey, every 5 days that you read, you earn a raffle ticket, or you can earn something else, right? So this is a really cool feature that Grosse Pointe Public Library has added to their reading program. So what I'm going to do now is show you how you can register. So what you want to do is back on the Grosse Pointe Library's youth page, there's a light blue box that says register. You just click on that and it automatically takes you to the Beanstack website where you create an account, and this is where all of the magic happens. Because you log your hours here, you can earn badges, and you can enter your tickets in for prizes. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start here because I'm already logged in. And so what you want to do is after you register, you just want to click the top orange box that says log reading and activities. And again, you log the days. But we do assume that each day that you log, that you've read at least 20 minutes a day. So we're asking 20 minutes a day is what you'll need, that we ask you to do for each day. So for example, I clicked that I'm going to log, and I'm going to say Sunday. I read at least 20 minutes. So I just click on the date, and the dot pops up to let me know that this is the date that I'm going to be adding to my log of reading. And I'm going to click on the orange box that says log, and then a green ribbon shows up at the bottom to say that I successfully logged that day of reading. And it's that simple. So what I want to do is go back to the page, like the home page rather, and what I want to highlight is the prizes. So as I mentioned before, Grosse Public Library has some really cool prizes. And what I'm going to do is click on challenges. And when you click on challenges, what it does is it gives you all of these cool tabs to talk about what kind of badges you've earned, how many badges you've earned, and what kind of rewards that you've earned. So most of the rewards that you get are tickets, right? And then these tickets, you take the tickets and you enter them into drawings for these really cool prizes. So what I want to highlight is the rewards. So after say for instance, you add 5 days of reading, here, this is a reward that you can earn, right? Which would be a ticket. Okay. Now, the next tab after rewards is ticket drawings. And so here it lists the type of prizes that you could win by entering your tickets in for those drawings. So there's a drawing for ice cream, Starbucks. So those have ended, but what we'll do is we'll go down to week 8 because it's the week we're in, and they have a Jets Pizza gift cards. In addition to the prizes that they are offering at Grosse Pointe Public Library, they have some really cool, fun activities for the summer. So I'm going to go to our Great Start Detroit Wayne page, and that's greatstart.org/find fun. And here, because there are so many activities, we've categorized it for families, so it's easy for you to find things to do with your family and your little ones. But what I'm going to do is show you a trick. So, say for instance, you're looking just for Grosse Pointe Public Library activities. If you scroll down, there's a section that says Find Fun Today. You want to type in Grosse Pointe. Make sure that you're on the date that you're looking for activities. And I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see, it lists all the events that Grosse Pointe Public Library is offering, starting with the date that you selected on forward. So Grosse Pointe Public Library has some really cool programs. They are doing story times on Wednesdays for the summer. They are also offering a to-go book and activity sheet at all the branches starting July 9th until July 11th from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. But what you have to do is register. So what I'm going to do is show you how easy Great Start's website has made it for families to connect to programs that are offered in Wayne County. So you find an event like to-go activity, click on it, and it explains everything that you need. And then it also has the link inside of the event entry for you to register. So it takes you right to the registration page of the library so that you can go ahead and register and then go ahead and pick up that book and fun activity. All right. So thank you so much for being with me today to talk about summer reading programs in Wayne County. I look forward to our next video, and hopefully you'll be there. As always, you can email me at Crystal, so that's CRYSTAL, at greatstartwayne.org with any questions.